Hi everyone, my name is Felicia Fox and this is Jonathan, the sleepy kitty. Welcome to my channel. This is day 3 of the carnivore diet. So I'm going to do 90 days carnivore and then 90 days vegan and document my journey and to see how I feel on each lifestyle. I feel pretty good right now. I had back-to-back meetings today, so I'm a little bit tired and I'm just going to take a break and have a bite to eat. In between my meetings, I managed to have some food. I made a 2-egg omelet and I had leftover steak that I cut up. I put a little bit of cheese in my omelet, Monterey Jack cheese. I don't want to eat too much cheese as I'm moving through this because I think once I eat a little bit of cheese, I'll just go crazy on the cheese. So I just use it as a treat, or if I need encouragement just to keep going. So the cheese was good. It wasn't very much, but it added a nice little something to my omelet. I'm eating right now. I'm having a little snack of leftover meatballs and some shrimp, and it's awesome, and with extra butter on it, so that's good. Last night I couldn't fall asleep because I had full-on body pain. I don't know what was going on. It was so sore. I feel okay except for my right foot right now. If I described my right foot, it would come out to suggest that I might have plantar fasciitis. So I'm not gonna go to the doctor or anything. I'm just gonna maybe wait another day and see how I feel. But I limp like an old lady walking around. So last night when I had all this body pain, I went down a rabbit hole on YouTube looking at other people and their journeys through the first parts of their carnivore diet. And a lot of people have mentioned oxalate dumping, and this is a new term for me, and it fascinated me. I didn't know what oxalates were or are. From my understanding, oxalates come from plants. So when you eat the plant, then the oxalates get into your bloodstream and then deposit into your soft tissues and into your joints. And I think it particularly likes your thyroid and your kidneys, and that's how kidney stones are formed. But oxalates only come from plants, which was kind of a shocker. So I'm thinking, and then the biggest surprise for me was the highest plant with oxalate, the highest oxalates in a plant is spinach. Just before I started the carnivore diet, I bought a giant bag of spinach and ate most of it. So that's interesting. And then the oxalate dumping, when you stop eating plants with oxalates in them, then your body starts to get rid of them. But the oxalate itself is like a jagged rock formation. Like it's almost like shards of glass are now in your body. And then once it starts expelling from your soft tissues, it causes even more damage going in and then coming back out. So that causes things like inflammation, pain. If it's really bad, then shards of like stones come out of your skin or through your kidneys. I don't think mine's really bad, but that would explain the body pain. Maybe, I don't know. I have no idea, but I just found it fascinating. So I'm on quite the journey. My second meeting today was awesome. I sat with Leon, my business advisor. He and I are working on getting up a cafe up and running, which is awesome. So I'm really grateful to him. He's an incredible business advisor, super smart. And so we had a really, really good meeting. And then now I'm home and I'm just gonna take it easy and finish my supper. So I hope y'all have a great evening.